Hi guys, today I have a skincare routine video for you. I have a nighttime routine and a morning routine. Alright, so I will not get into all the products, but if you need more information about the products that I've used in this video, let me know in the comment section below. But for this video, I actually did the night routine before the morning routine, so that's why you're seeing this part first, which is the night routine. So in the morning routine part, that you will get to hear a lot more and to see the products that I've used in this video, which is most of the products are from the Ordinary brand and a few other product brands. Let me know in the comment section below if you use any of the Ordinary product. How do you like them? And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. So I'll show you guys most of the things that I'm using for my face regimen, morning routine and night routine. But I've been using a lot of Ordinary products. So guys, welcome to part 2, which is part 1. So I've used my night routine. So this is my morning routine. Most of the products I do not use them every day, just like this toner right here and this mask. I don't like the smell. The smell is overpowering for me, so I do not like the smell. That's that. So another face scrub that I have, I love it, and this scrub, oh my god, this thing is amazing. It's a Korean brand actually. So I want to get into Korean skincare because a lot of people just talk about it so much. So this is a Korean product as well. I used to use this one right here. This used to work for me really good. It's like a powder. So I also use this sometime to exfoliate my skin, which is very gentle. Another product I do not use every day is this at-home chemical peel, which you're not supposed to. You're supposed to use it twice a week. Even twice a week, I do not use it. So I'm going to try to be consistent so I can see result, because I'm trying to clear my skin. I got this since November of last year and it's still here. I use this for nighttime. This sunscreen right here, I love this sunscreen because it do not leave your skin white at all. Guys, my morning routine is really simple. I just use probably 4 products, that's about it. So I'm just gonna use this. I use this face cleanser for morning, and at nighttime I use the Fendi one, which I love. A little bit goes a long way. If you're out all day, so it's best that you use the Fendi one. And in the morning I have oil to combination skin, so I use this one instead, because in the morning my face is not that oily. Remember, I put that powder on my pimple. Look at that, dry. What I normally do, I wash my face with lukewarm water, and then I finish up with really cold water just to tighten my pores. And that's it. I used to get napkins to dry my skin, my face, but I've stopped doing that. I just use wipes. I don't really do much with my morning routine. It's really simple, like I stated. But guys, that BC Aspirin powder, it is the gum. Okay, so if you have a pimple coming up, I don't normally deal with acne, and then you have it, squeeze it, clean it with warm water, apply some tea tree, and then do a little paste, apply it to that pimple. Listen, in the morning it's gonna be dry. So I did that night, and then that morning, look at that, it went down. Okay, try and let me know in the comment section below. Press it to my skin. So I'm looking for another face moisturizer, especially for dark skin girl like me. If you guys, or if any of you are dark skin, you know a good face moisturizer, let me know in the comment section below. Guys, even if you're dark skin, always apply your sunscreen. Even when I'm staying at home, I apply my sunscreen. Your neck gonna be exposed, so wear sunscreen. Vaseline. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one of the products that you use. Have a joyful, peaceful, wonderful, and blessed day. I will see you next time on the next video. Bye.